I'm glad that you found this video. I know for a fact that you have been working your socks off to achieve everything in life, but you are feeling behind and you are not doing enough. Well, I can relate. That's why I digged up an entire library, internet, and every source of knowledge that I could have my hands upon to find the solution to this problem and end it once and for all. But the thing is, I found nothing. But it seemed one thing that if I wanted a solution to cure my own life, I had to look at what other people are achieving, not comparing myself to them. Instead, I did one thing. I studied every successful person's life, a whole new world opened to me to explore and delve into the endeavors which they have collected themselves to achieve such success. The reason I consider myself to solve this problem of yours is I have experimented all the facts that I have collected firstly on myself, and now I am a professional blog writer, IT expert, self-sufficient freelancer, and the author of the research paper on market forces. A high achiever alongside being the best person to my family. Alhamdulillah. Let this video not be another video you will watch, rather be a guide for you to become your best self. I will give you the roadmap, which contains 3 special points, which are never mentioned by any other person, neither any other book. Also to add, those who will stick till the end will get a special surprise from me. Let's start then. Number 1. Master that mindset. Always remember, there are graveyards of people who thought that they had more time. But first of all, let me explain what mindset is. Mindset is the way that you think about the world. It shapes your beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors, also influencing how you act and how you see the situations and decisions you are making. Your mindset determines your success, happiness, and ability to overcome challenges. The thing is, I'm going to be posting another video which will literally explain what mindset is and how you can control it. Okay? But first, my advice to you is you have to dig in yourself. The little guess that you will get when another day you will wake up and you think to yourself, thank Lord that I have woken up and God has gifted me this day. That is the day that your mindset is ready for success. Number 2. The dilemma of self-fulfilling prophecies. At my low bar, I used to think to myself and used to remark it to myself that I am not good enough, I am worthless, everyone is better than me, and that bad list goes on. Notice the difference now. This was the negative, and now I will speak of the positive. Whenever I make a mistake now, I remark to myself, don't worry, everyone make mistakes, I'll get through this inshallah, I am worthful, and that list goes on. The thing is, when you give yourself those kind of remarks, they become self-fulfilling prophecies, which means that when you name yourself and subconsciously act according to your name. This is linked with the neurosystem of brain, which is wired to the way that you think of a situation. The students who made more mistakes when called failures or less achievers tended to never perform better. Never. Likewise, if a person commits crime and is named a criminal, they are more likely to do a crime next time. They will not stop. They will act according to their name because they know they have this self-fulfilling prophecy to complete. So why not replace these tags with dreamers, achievers, and go-getters, and so on? Believe me, it will change your life. Before I continue to the last secret, I want to remind you to hydrate yourself and look at my subscribers below. I want to appreciate each one of them because they are truly curious and open-minded to have subscribed this channel. So what are you waiting for? Add yourself to that list by subscribing this channel. Now back to the topic. The last point. Don't chase happiness. Find it instead. Ambition without action becomes anxiety. Happiness chasers never found happiness because they believe that it is a destiny. But it is a feeling. Believe me, all the successful people are not happy. They strive for this feeling. Some found it in luxury, some found it in peace, and some never found it. Set this fact straight in your mind. Compare yourself. An 8-course meal at a 5-star restaurant with only you and other business partners is better than your mom's homemade and contains all the love and everyone is sitting around you, your family members, and laughing and giggling and eating and talking and having fun. Which side will you choose? And tell me in the comments. For those dreamers who have stayed till the end, I am going to be giving away 30 digital files of my journals to 30 lucky dreamers. I printed it for myself. I made it digitally, but I printed it for myself. It comes along with mood stickers, a lot of them, and this traveling brochure. And for those 30 dreamers, and if they gave feedback to me, I will probably going to be mentioning them in the next video. Alongside, I'm going to be giving them free wallpapers. And these are the 3 kinds of journals which you can buy and support this channel. Thank you so much, dreamers. Until next time, see ya.